Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's YouTube SEO video, I'll walk you through 2 tips that I've picked up along the way to follow up with my series of YouTube SEO tips. So what I would like to share with you today concerning metadata and the keywords inside of tags is, instead of pumping a video full of tags, what I have came to find out is that generally a 8 to 10 tags inside of a video will actually be the highest performing. Now, you can overpack. And what I mean by overpack is fill the absolute maximum 500 plus characters into your tags, and that first 2 days you will end up getting rankings for those particular keywords. Now, after that first 5 to 7 days, you will tend to find out that only about 7 to 10 of these keywords will actually be ranking. So I've done a few tests, just testing out these theories, and I have came to find out that for that initial boost, filling it up with all of the metadata and all the meta keywords can be beneficial the first 1 to 3 days. However, for long term, if you really want to really nail in on particular keywords, you may only want to use 8 to 10 inside of your tags, aka your meta tags or some of your metadata. Now, moving into the next tip, and this has to do with my past video that I did concerning closed captioning and subtitles. Another way to add some more metadata, let me show you that now. So if we go into any video, this is a recent video that I did, and we click on subtitles. All right. Now, for sake of the video's time, what I'm going to do is just a quick brief over, and you can check out my last YouTube SEO video on this. What I did is you go into your subtitles, but I want to show you a metadata tip so you can start adding some more keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the subtitles that were published automatically. Now stick with me, this is a metadata tip, all right? Now once we're inside of here, we will click on edit, all right? And then you can just quickly clean up any profanities or any slights of grammar, right? Any punctuation, anything that to make it clean. Once that is done, all right, now you have to do at least one edit. So let me go in here and just do this quickly. Tip is going to lie this. So after you have made your edits, you have to make at least one quick edit. The next step that you want to do is you want to publish your edits, all right? So now this is going to give you a closed caption file. This is not the tip. Stick with me here. So once this is done, we are going to head back to the video. All right, make sure that it's in there. We're going to go here. We are going to then refresh, and then we will have our publisher created closed caption file. Once that is done, we want to then remove, and this is part of the last tip that I shared. We want to go ahead and remove the automatic so the closed caption file is red instead of the automatic that is given to us by YouTube. But this is the tip. This is the key here. What we want to do is we want to go into here inside of the publisher. We are then going to go inside. We are going to go to actions on our made closed caption file. And what we want to do is we want to rename the file, and now we can add metadata. We can add more keywords. We can add the name of the video plus a couple extra keywords that we're trying to target. And this is going to add to the metadata. So this video was called this right here. So what I want to do is go inside of here, and maybe after this, I might want to put a variation of the keyword. All right, so now I have added more metadata. I'm going to go in here and rename it. And as you can see, when they come to the file, right, and I mean the algorithm, the bot, however you want to look at it, they are now seeing an English dash. So this is my CC file with the keywords inside of it. So So now that when we go back to our channel, not only now do we have the CC tab, which is closed captions, and this is an edited version, now we have added extra metadata that is not only targeting our main keywords for our title for our subtitles, but we've also added a variation of the keyword into our subtitle that's going to be read. So I hope that these 2 tips have been very helpful for your YouTube SEO. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions regarding SEO, local SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, really anything digital marketing, internet marketing related, always feel free to go ahead and ask in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next YouTube SEO tips video. Have a wonderful day.